Clicking the staff menu at the top will bring you to the staff page. Here you can see your staff members. Clicking the View Archive checkbox will show you any archived staff members. You can look through the list of staff members or use the search box to find the staff member you are trying to view. Typing in the staff member's name will filter the below results. If you need to add a new staff member, click the Add Staff button. Fill out the information. Clicking Save will ask if you want to invite this staff as a user to KidKeeper. You have the option to invite them or skip. Inviting them sends the person an email with a special link they must click to join. User invites are only good for 7 days. After that, they expire and you will need to invite them again. You can invite them again in the staff profile, which we will cover in the next video. The new staff member is now created, and as shown here, it lets you know that you have an invite out for the staff member. If you end up not wanting to invite them, you can cancel the invite. Let's now review the staff profile.